Okay, finding six trigonometric ratios based on a right triangle. So as we do this, I'm going to use SohCahToa. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. So when we're given a triangle like this, we want to first focus on where the angle is that we need to really look at. So our angle here is T. And let's go ahead and label the opposite adjacent and hypotenuse. Now the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. So 65 goes as our hypotenuse. Opposite is based on where this angle is. So T is over here in the top left. The opposite is going to be the 33 because it's located opposite where that angle is. The adjacent is going to be the 56 because it's one of the side lengths that goes into making up this angle. So just labeling everything from the very beginning, great start. Now let's jump into SohCahToa. Sine is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. So in our case, 33 over 65. Next, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, 56 over 65. And tangent, finally, is going to be opposite over adjacent. So in our case, 33 over 56. All right, now that we have these first three, we can do some work to get the next three. So as you're doing these, remember these reciprocal identities say that for sine, it starts with an S. It goes with cosecant because that starts with a C. They're kind of paired up where the pairs have an S and a C involved. So in this case, what you do is the reciprocal, that means you take this fraction and you flip it upside down. You invert it. So since sine was 33 over 65, cosecant is going to be 65 over 33. All right, we can also say the same thing about cosine starts with a C, secant starts with an S. It always gets paired up with an S and a C in these pairs. So what we're going to do is we're going to invert cosine and get secant. So 65 over 56. Taking the numerator and denominator and flipping them upside down. Finally, tangent and cotangent go hand in hand. What we're going to do is invert this. The reciprocal relationship says 56 over 33. Now we have the cotangent. We have all six trigonometric ratios based on this right triangle. Hope this helps out. Good luck.